What is that?
5.
5 out of 5, a star rating. Wow. What was your favorite? The cauliflower, mac and cheese, the asparagus, or the steak?
That's hard. The asparagus was good. It was a little bit crispy, flavorful. The steak was perfect, a little pink in the middle, and the cauliflower was really.
Big box. It is a new wave air fryer. I'll show you what it is. It's part of my new 2020 way of getting back on track dieting. Okay. Oh, that's right. I got all the accessories included. I was doing late night, couldn't sleep, jet lag, and the air fryer commercial came on, infomercial. And this, I bought it. It was really cheap. It was only $110, and you got all the accessories that came with it. Let me show you what they are. I got the New Wave air fryer breakfast kit. And these were all included for like $100. Gourmet accessory kit. New Wave air fryer grill pan. Still digging. And then the big huge air fryer that grills, air fry, roast, broil, reheat, bake, warm, toast, and dehydrate. Revolutionary, healthy, digital Brio 6-quart air fryer, as seen on TV. This lighting is horrible. Has anyone ever ordered from As Seen on TV? Been up late night, could not sleep, and just ordered whatever. So this is my first time, so I'm definitely excited to test it out and everything. So once I read the instructions, I will show you guys probably another video tomorrow. But in the meantime, I got some homework to do. Hopefully this will work, because you don't have to use grease, and you can still cook some of your favorite foods without having all the fat, like French fries and all that stuff, according to the infomercial. So that's it. I'll speak to you guys later about it and see if I like it, yay or nay. I better keep the box just in case I'll send it back, because I don't know what I was thinking at late night, but we'll see, we'll see. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. It's digital. It has the watts here, programming, warm, delay. And I think this is where you opened it. And I guess you put your stuff in there. Looks simple. It's definitely an eyesore in my kitchen, so it's probably one of those I cook it and then put it away when I'm done, like my toaster. So I decide to get out of the house and try my new fryer. It's a heat fryer, and it was really big, so I thought, I'm not sure if I wanted it after I ordered it. It was one of those late night infomercial places that I saw online and thought, hey, I need this. 2 o'clock in the morning, not doing the measurements or anything. But I thought I'd give it a try and keep it. And I will see how it works. I'm heading to the store now to get something to cook in it. So I'm taking you guys along with me. I still can't get used to the fact that the apartment condo that I live in looks like kind of a hotel lobby, that I still think that I'm on vacation when I'm here at home. Just the elevator and the lobby is gorgeous, but I do love my condo, but it's just so funny how, am I at work or I'm at home? decided to stop and do a workout, keep my 2020 resolution up. So I'm here at that's fitness, and then I'll head to the grocery store and then find out what I'm gonna eat for dinner, and then cook it, and then that's it for the night. And then tomorrow I'll get up and do the same thing. See you guys in a bit. Bye, girl. Bye. That was a good workout. Decided to stop and get a espresso or a latte or something to wake me up. I was feeling kind of sleepy. And then I will head to the store. I keep saying I'm gonna head to the store. I hope I don't skip it. But yeah, that's where I'm at. So I decided to do ribeye and cauliflower mac and cheese, and what else did I get? Oh, asparagus. I'm gonna cook it all in my fryer and see how it is. Okay, I'm back from the grocery store, but I forgot to put on my camera, so I'm already ahead of the game. Right now, in my New Wave air fryer, I have the mac and cheese. I guess it's cauliflower and cheese. Cooking in there now. It takes about 15 minutes. The prep was to boil the cauliflower for 8 minutes with boiling water. Then transfer it into the container that comes with the New Wave, and then stick it in for 15 minutes. And right now we have 13 minutes. Then I'm going to cook, again, the asparagus next. It comes with this rag. You put it on, you dab a little olive oil on there, salt and pepper, and you cook that for 13 minutes at 375. It's really easy to figure out the programming. And it came with a recipe. And then the grand finale, I got ribeyes, 2 ribeyes. I might have to cook them separately if they don't fit. They're pretty big. And I'm making peppercorn with seasoning on that. So we will see. And then the finishing touch for the cauliflower and cheese would be the breadcrumbs. I'll put the recipe in the description box down below, and I will show you guys the final results. Okay, we are down to the last 20 seconds. I cooked the asparagus and the steak at the same time. The juice from the asparagus is dripping down onto the steak, so that just sounds yummy, but we will see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is, folks. And then I'll show you the final. You can see how the rack is there, and then the steak is down below. Here's the final product. That's the asparagus, that is the cauliflower and cheese, and that is the ribeye. The husband's here, so he'll give it a Star Bobby rating, and I'll give it a Star Bobby rating, so stay tuned. All right, dinner was done. That was delicious. And I paired it with a nice bottle of Cabernet from Napa Valley. And it was pretty good. The husband's eating with me. Let me get his Star Barbie rating. What'd you think? What is that?
5.
5 out of 5, a star rating? Wow. What was your favorite? The cauliflower, mac and cheese, the asparagus, or the steak?
That's hard. The asparagus was good. It was a little bit crispy, flavorful. The steak was perfect, a little pink in the middle. And the cauliflower was really good. Plus, I didn't have to cook it. I didn't have to set the table. I didn't have to clean up.
Enough about you.
I just came home from work.
Back to me. And for me, I give it a 5-star rating. The only little thing I had was a lot of prep time. Like I had to cook or boil the cauliflower and seasoning and oiling the asparagus, but not too much prep time. It was just the cooking of the or the boiling of the cauliflower. So you heard it from both of us. 5-star rating. Bing, 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 bing. I think that's it for the day. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, definitely subscribe down below, right there, yeah, right. And check me out on my Instagram account at SKYBOBby.